In this video, you will learn how to connect an email account, send protected PDF files with XERIA, and review sending records in the mail log. Before sending emails, open Settings and go to Email Management. XERIA uses OAuth-based email profiles and currently supports Gmail, Microsoft 365, and Outlook accounts. Select the email service you want to use, connect your account, and set it as the default sending channel. After the account is connected, XERIA can use it for secure email delivery workflows. For bulk sending, XERIA includes safe speed and anti-spam limit options. These settings help control sending intervals, hourly limits, daily limits, and domain-based limits. After the email account is configured, go to the batch processing page. Here, XERIA can generate personalized PDF files for each recipient and optionally send them by email. Before sending emails, make sure your recipient list is ready. Each recipient must have a name and a valid email address. Permission settings and PDF passwords are optional, but they can be used when you want to generate protected PDF files with access restrictions. Next, use the Watermarked text builder to choose the information that should appear in the personalized watermark. You can select one or two tokens, such as the recipient name, trace token, ID number, date, or another available field. XERIA will use these tokens to create a different watermark for each recipient. In the Security and Permission section, you can decide whether the generated PDF files should be encrypted, whether permission restrictions should be applied, and whether a hidden QR code should be added. These options are not required for every workflow, but they are useful when you want stronger control over distributed PDF files. If permission settings are defined for recipients, XERIA can apply different access levels to each PDF file. For example, a recipient can be limited to view only, print only, copy only, print and copy, or full access. Open passwords and owner passwords can also be used when PDF encryption is enabled. After the watermark and security options are ready, move to the email template section. Here you can prepare the message that will be sent with each PDF file. You can create a new template, save it, or reuse an existing template later. The email body can include dynamic tokens such as recipient name, trace code, date, open password, and owner password. These tokens allow XERIA to personalize each email automatically. If HTML email is enabled, XERIA can include a selected signature below the message. You can manage signatures and preview the email before sending. At the bottom of the batch page, there are 3 operation buttons. Generate PDF creates the personalized PDF files only. We already covered this workflow in the previous tutorial. Send email only sends PDF files that have already been generated for the recipients in the selected list. Generate PDF plus send generates the personalized PDF files and sends them by email in the same workflow. For a complete workflow, use Generate PDF plus send. XERIA generates a separate protected PDF for each recipient and sends the correct file to the matching email address. After the sending process, open the Mail Log section from Settings to review the sending records. The mail log shows when each email was processed, who it was sent to, the subject, the sending status, and any error details. You can select a log entry to view the full details on the right side. You can search the log by email, subject, error, attachment, or batch information. You can also filter records, select a date range, and export the results as CSV or Excel. As you can see, each recipient receives a unique PDF file generated specifically for them. The watermark, trace information, permissions, and passwords can be applied per recipient, so every distributed copy remains controlled and identifiable. With XERIA, secure PDF delivery is not only about sending files. It is about sending the right protected document to the right person. With email management and mail log, XERIA helps you send protected PDF files and keep a clear record of your secure document distribution workflow.